In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video from Lumen5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from editing to having a finished file saved on your computer, ready to share. First, log into Lumen5. Use the official website and sign in with your usual credentials on a reliable, up-to-date browser. A stable internet connection makes the process smoother, especially during the final download. If you've been working on your video already, make sure any recent edits are saved before moving forward. Once you're in, open your project in the editor. From your dashboard, select the project you want to download so it launches in the editing workspace. Give your video a quick once-over. Check that your scenes look right, the text is accurate, and the visuals and audio are loading as expected. A short preview can help confirm timing and transitions. This is a good moment to make any last-minute tweaks and then let the editor update your changes so what you publish matches what you see. When everything looks good, click on Publish in the upper right corner of the editor. This is the command that tells Lumen5 to process your project into a single, finished video file. After you click, Lumen5 begins compiling your scenes, transitions, and audio into a final render. You'll typically see a progress indicator while it works. The processing time can vary depending on your video's length and complexity, as well as your connection speed. While it's processing, avoid closing the tab or navigating away to prevent interruptions. Once the processing is done, the file will download. In most cases, your browser will start downloading the video automatically as an MP4. If your browser asks where to save it, pick a location you'll remember. Otherwise, it usually goes to your default downloads folder. Keep an eye on your browser's download area to confirm it's coming through. If you use a browser that blocks automatic downloads, you may need to allow the download in the notification that appears. Let the download finish completely before you move or rename the file to avoid any corruption. That's the entire flow. Log in, open your project in the editor, click Publish in the top right, and wait for processing to complete so the video can download. After it's saved, you're set to preview it locally, back it up, or upload it wherever you plan to share it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your freshly downloaded video from Lumen5.